It's me. Hi guys, it's me, Devin. Today we're looking at some funny, weird trains. And what is this? It's a 4. What does this Hudson J? What does that Hudson? What is this J Hudson even like that? No, usually it's supposed to be normal. Okay, this thing is a real thing. But I'm sorry guys, it's just someone else in mine. Anyways, I know this thing is looking real, but this is not mine.
That is a really cool train, Devin.
It's still a locomotive. It's 100% locomotive, and it's not weird at all. Really not. Really. It's from the New York Central. It's from the New York Central. New York Central, why did you build this? What the heck? Just weird. Okay, let's just go to a different train. What the heck? Why are these wedge snow plows like that? Okay, the CEO of the CNN company. Okay, whatever. They lied to me. They just seriously lied to me. They did it. Nothing. What the heck? This railroad lied to me. Why is it like that? What the hell? What is that? What is that? I don't get it. This is so strange. We see the locomotive over there, but what is that? What the? Oh my God, Conrail, why are you like that? Where does this company gets weirder? What does this get weirder? What the heck? It looks disgusting. Okay. I reckon I like this train. I like this one. It's cool. The GT3. I like this train. It's the GT3. I seen there's like a lot of this is a turbine powered locomotive, and it's by some other that I forgot. And I'm gonna take a picture of it like that. What's a steam dummy? SpongeBob? What's it? SpongeBob got a tongue. 440 type.
Such as working light.
Hey, this might sound weird, but this Australian diesel just crashed inside of a building. What is that?
Devin, what the?
Ah! What the heck is that thing? It looks like a piece of spam! What does it look like a piece of spam? The JNR company, the Japan company doesn't know how to make these. Ah! Look at that, it's Thomas, and he looks like he's gonna. Why am I on a computer table? Why am I on a build? I don't know. This reminds me of something. China and why does that China engine has an eyeball coming out of his pupils? What is that? Why is like that? Help me! What is it? Why does the Japan engine have that smoke box door? The Japan engine has a smoke box door eyes as coming from the AI. Why do you like this AI? Okay, just this weird thing, and like and subscribe if like and subscribe for part 2.